Another straight left hand by Pacquiao. And you heard Julio. And down goes White in the road. Second one. This is some front. A little grabbing and holding might be the thing to do. Pacquiao's just getting ready. And Bill Clancy's seen it up.
Noong June 8, 2002, nakatutok ang buong mundo sa tinaguriang pinakamalaking heavyweight fight ng dekada, ang sagupaan ni Lennox Lewis at Mike Tyson. Isang blockbuster event na dinaluhan ng ilan sa biggest names sa sports at entertainment. Pero bago pa man umakyat sa ring ang dalawang heavyweight giants, isang 23-year-old Pinoy muna ang kumuha ng spotlight at nagpakita kung ano ang kaya niyang gawin sa loob ng ring. At ang batang Pinoy na iyon ay walang iba kundi ang ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao. Pumasok si Pacquiao sa laban dala ang kartadang 33 wins, 2 losses na may 24 knockouts at hawak ang kanyang IBF Super Bantamweight World Title. Sa The Pyramid sa Memphis, Tennessee, nakatakda niyang depensahan ang kanyang korona laban sa isang veteranong Colombian fighter na determinadong agawin sa kanyang titulo. Ang makakaharap ng ating kababayan ay ang former 2-time WBA World Champion at Olympic bronze medalist mula Colombia na si Jorge Eliezer Julio. Bitbit ng Colombian veteran ang napakalawak na experience kasama ang impressive record na 44 wins na 12 dito ay tinapos niya via knockout at 3 talo lamang. Sa edad na 32, sanay na si Julio sa halos lahat ng klase ng laban. Kabisado niya na ang iba't ibang taktika, diskarte at maging mga dirty tactics sa loob ng ring. Kaya naman, mataas ang kumpiyansa ng kampo nito. Para sa kanyang team, sapat na ang experience at ring intelligence ni Julio para man-neutralize ang agresyon ng mas batang kampyon mula Pilipinas at maagaw ang titulo kay Pacquiao. Bagamat hawak ni Pacman ang belt matapos niyang gulatin si Lelo Leduaba 1 taon nang nakakalipas, marami pa ring American media ang hindi kumbinsido sa kanyang galing. Para sa kanila, masyado pang raw at one-dimensional ang style ni Pacquiao at hindi pa raw siya nasusubukan laban sa isang tunay na madulas sa tusong veterano tulad ni Julio. Malinaw naman ang bili ni Coach Freddy Roach kay Manny, huwag maging masyadong mabait sa loob ng ring. Kaya pinaalalahanan niya ang ating kababayan na huwag magpabuli at gumanti gamit ang kanyang deadly counters kapag sinusubukan siyang i-pressure. Pagkatunog pa lang ng bell, agad na ginamit ni Julio ang kanyang jab para subukang kontrolin ang distansya at mahanap ang tamang ritmo ng laban. Pero mula pa lang sa unang minuto, agad nang ipinaramdam ni Pacquiao ang matinding banta ng kanyang bilis habang unti-unti niyang binabasa ang galaw ni Julio at hinahanap ang mga butas sa depensa ng veterano.
Or just trying to get Pacquiao ready to be more protected this time, perhaps. Freddie says he would like for Pacquiao to learn to foul a guy back when he fouls him. But Pacquiao's too sportsmanlike to do so, he says.
Well, I can't imagine anyone fouling me when I were fighting that many times, me not like give one back. So this must be a real good kid.
Big left hand by Pacquiao. Julio stops him in his tracks there with a left hand counter. Both fighters using their jabs early, and I think Pacquiao has already gotten some of Julio's respect for his power.
I think so. You can see that Julio has got a concerned look on his face. You see a little bit of strain in his eyes when he gets hit with some of those punches. Pacquiao can punch.
When you come up to 122 from 118 and you get Manny Pacquiao in your 3rd fight in the division, you may be biting off something more than you can chew. But Julio has a lot of knowledge and a lot of craft. Oh, big left hand by Pacquiao.
He got countered by a nice left hand counter by Julio.
Sometimes the first couple of punches might rock you, but then you taste the power and sort of get used to it, right, Bobby?
Well, you know, there are times that you can sort of adjust to it. But if you get caught one of those and you're not looking, I'll tell you what, your legs come right out from under you. If you catch you looking, boy, oh boy, it hurts so much more.
Pacquiao with a body shot after missing with the wild right hand. You can see what a big hitter Pacquiao wants to be. Throws every punch with aggressive intentions. Julio, a little bit more of a change-up artist, and holding his own now after a rough first minute.
One of the things, there's a beautiful straight left hand by Pacquiao, but one of the things that's helping Julio is that jab. It's all setting the combinations of Pacquiao. Put your head. Put your head. Pacquiao saying it was an elbow.
Whoa, keep up. And there's a low blow. So already an elbow and a low blow from Julio making contact with Pacquiao, and that's exactly what Freddie Roach suggested he thought might be the case.
Sa huling bahagi ng round, nagsimula ng tumama ang malalakas na straight left ni Pacman. Kitang-kita sa mga mata at galaw ni Julio ang gulat sa kakaibang explosive power at bilis ng ating kababayan.
It's a lot of energy to start those punches. If you don't hit something, it takes the same amount of energy to stop them, and you could get prematurely fatigued. You have to make those punches hit something.
Body shot by Pacquiao. Julio seems a little bit flustered by Manny's power. And the first round comes to a close.
Pagpasok ng round 2, agad na nagpakawala si Pacquiao ng mabilis na double jab kasunod ang kanyang straight left. Ilang segundo pa lang, bumagsak na agad si Julio sa canvas para sa unang knockdown ng laban.
Down goes Julio.
It was a perfect execution of what he was told in the corner. Double jab and throw the left hand. He did it. Look what we see.
The kid listens.
Hey, come to me. Bueno.
Nakabangon man si Julio sa bilang ng referee. Amoy na ni Pacman ng dugo. Agad siyang sumugod at nagpakawala ng sunod-sunod na patama hanggang sa muli na namang bumagsak ang Colombian sa lona.
This is some prospect, Bobby. To me, he's every bit as exciting as Prince Nassim Hamed.
He really is. He can punch. He can take a punch. He's aggressive. And he loves to fight.
You okay?
Pilit mang nakatayo si Julio matapos ang second knockdown. Kitang-kita namang wala na siyang lakas para dumepensa o gumanti. Kaya't wala ng 2 minuto sa round 2 sa pamamagitan ng isang malinis at dominanting technical knockout, tinapos ni Manny Pacquiao ang lahat ng duda sa kanyang kakayahan.
Bill Clancy seen it up. Devastating second round TKO for Manny Pacquiao. What a comeback from the misfortune of San Francisco.
Ang boksingerong tinawag ng mga kritiko na raw at one-dimensional ay tuluyang pinabagsak ang isang tusong veterano sa loob lamang ng 2 rounds. Sa gabing iyon, hindi lang niya nadepensahan ang kanyang korona. Ipinakita rin niya sa mundo ng boxing na ang batang galing sa Pilipinas ay handa nang magdumina sa sports ng suntukan.
Still the IBF Junior Featherweight Champion of the World, Manny the Destroyer Pacquiao.
Love you, Philippines! Thank you, thank you.